Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, gravity pulled a cloud of gas and dust together to form the solar system. A huge concentration of this interstellar gas and dust developed a molecular cloud that would eventually form our Sun. But what caused gravity to conspire and pull a massive interstellar cloud into a star? Are there 8 or 9 planets in our solar system, or are there even more? Stay tuned to find out. The Sun's gravitational bound system and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly, make up the solar system. Scientists believe that the shockwave of a nearby star going supernova is what triggered a series of chain events that compressed a massive interstellar cloud of gas and dust that forged our solar system. Mass-wise, the Sun consists of 99% of the entire solar system. The remaining 1% is what makes up the planets, asteroids, comets, and other cosmic debris. Our first stop is on the closest planet to the Sun, which is also the smallest planet in the solar system, Mercury. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods. Its message? Ice and fire. Because its length of a day is about 59 Earth days and it doesn't have an atmosphere to trap heat, Mercury has the most extreme variant temperatures of the planets. At night, the temperatures drop to a stunning minus 173 degrees Celsius. You would freeze to death in seconds, while at day, the Sun heats up the surface and the temperature rises up to 427 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to melt lead. Although Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, there is another planet that outstrips it for being the hottest planet in the solar system. Meet the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus. She is so beautiful and hot that the surface temperature reaches up to 462 degrees Celsius. That you could cook a pizza in only 7 seconds. This is because of its thick and dense atmosphere trapping the Sun's heat. Venus is choking on CO2. It is global warming on steroids. That's why the next planet is, or should be everyone's favourite, Earth. At the beginning of the formation of the solar system, Earth was even worse than her sister planet Venus. A planet called Theia collided with Earth. The debris from that collision went into Earth's orbit and eventually formed our moon. As time went by, Earth began to cool down and the conditions for life started to emerge. Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, a distance known as an astronomical unit. Contrary to popular belief, Earth is actually farther away from the Sun during the Northern Hemisphere's summer. Earth's seasons are caused by its tilt on its axis of 23.5 degrees, which enables more sunlight to travel through an area during aphelion in the Northern Hemisphere and less sunlight in the Southern Hemisphere. The next and last rocky planet is Mars. Due to its reddish appearance in the sky viewed from Earth, it is known as the Red Planet. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is red because of its iron oxide prevalent on its surface. Mars is one of the most explored bodies in our solar system, and it's the only planet where we've sent rovers to roam the alien landscape. Mariner 9 Mars orbiter of 1971 discovered a system of canyons that runs along the Martian surface east of the Tharsis region. At more than 4,000 kilometers long, 2,000 kilometers wide, and up to 7 kilometers deep, also the largest volcano in the solar system is located on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 2.5 times Mount Everest's height above sea level. It was once considered to be the largest mountain in the solar system. It no longer is. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, home to 1.9 million asteroids. One of the largest ones is 4 Vesta. Rhea Silvia is the most prominent surface feature on the asteroid Vesta and is thought to be an impact crater. The peak in the centre of the crater rises 22.5 kilometers from its base making it the tallest mountain known in the solar system. The edge of the asteroid belt marks the end of part 1 of our journey to explore the solar system. Subscribe and ring the bell for next week's exploration of the gas giants in the solar system. Thanks for watching.